and I can see it's my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So hey guys, welcome back with a new video. This is tutorial number 2. Today we will learn how to make a traffic light system and how it's work. I will show you how to connect these components. Now let's get started. इस प्रोजेक्ट के कनेक्शन से पहले हमें 7 सेगमेंट डिस्प्ले को समझना पड़ेगा। Now let's move on coding part.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.